Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find the security. Now let's scroll down and tap on the fingerprint. And here we have to enter the pattern pin or password to confirm the whole step that we want to add the fingerprint. But if you do not have the screen lock set, then you will have to do it right now. So your device will ask you to set the screen lock, the pattern pin or password, and it is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the backup screen lock, and you will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. So just add the screen lock, and if you've got one, just enter it. Now let's tap on Add Fingerprint, and here we've got the information about the fingerprint so that you can use it for unlocking your phone or approve the purchases. So let's tap on Next. Here we've got the instruction that we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the right side on the power button. So let me put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. Alright, as you can see we've got the fingerprint added. We can add another, rename it, or just tap on Done. And here we've got the fingerprint section, and all we can do here actually is to just tap on it, or tap on the fingerprint we added. We can rename it here or remove it just by tapping on Delete. So right now let me lock the device and check if it is working. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.